Hello Studentistas, today we will talk about dentistry in the Philippines. So Capital Jose Arevalo is known as Capitan Cheng Cheng, the first Filipino dentist. In the Spanish regime in the Philippines, dentistry was not recognized as a profession, and there were no royal decrees and laws from the Spanish government to govern and guide the practice of dentists. At this time, dentists were known as sacamulas or tooth puller. Any person of the time period who was skillful in pulling teeth could become one. In American regime, during the American administration of the Philippines, examinations and licensing of dentists were introduced in the islands. On August 2, 1899, the U.S. Provost Marshal General established the Board of Dental Examiners. Examinations were held and licenses to practice were issued. In 1903, Act No. 593, also known as the Act of Regulating the Practice of Dentistry in the Philippine Islands, was passed to regulate the practice of dentistry in the Philippines. The Board of Dental Examiners was reorganized on January 10, 1903, and the members of the Board of Dental Examiners were appointed by the Commissioner of Public Health after obtaining approval from the Board of Health of the Philippine Islands. The members were two Americans, Dr. Robert Oliver and Dr. Wallace G. Skidmore, and one Filipino, Dr. Antonio Virgil de Dios, with Oliver as the chairman, while Skidmore as the secretary-treasurer. While under the Japanese regime, Filipino dentists became inactive during World War II. The Philippines were occupied by the soldiers of the Japanese Empire from 1942 to 1945, and only a few number of dentists in the Philippines practiced their profession during the war and the occupation, often using resourcefulness due to insufficient availability of dental supplies. After the war, dentists in the Philippines who survived the occupation returned to practicing the profession, and after Japanese regime, the Philippine Dental Association was established.